Okay, uh, now in this video we are going to about next loop, and previously we have already discussed about the for loop and the while window, and in this video we are going to about do loop. So what is it? This do loop, it is also a type of loop and it is more flexible than all other loops. So what it does, it also repeats the statement or the execution again and again till the condition is true or we can that satisfied. So we have two syntax of this do loop. For syntax, here it is shown here. Syntax one, with this do loop, we have to put the condition while with the same line as the do is there, and then we have to close it using loop. That's the, this is the first syntax. And second, we can also write there this condition at the bottom with this loop. What other loop? Is that uh, command we can set it. So in same line with this loop we can put this condition, or we can also use with do while. So then we have two ways to use this one. Here is an example. While x is less than equals to 5, printing, then the increment, then you should that closing with the loop. So that's all. So we can also use this do while with this loop q. Now let's the same program using the real code there using interpreter. So look in this program, going to run it. And here we have output 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4. Now what's the difference there? Simple is there. In this part, in first structure, we have put the while loop in same line and the do is there. Here means first the condition is tested, then the execution is done there, and the increment is done using the 1 1 1 1. So if we have to increase by 2, we have to put the plus 2. If we have to increase by 2, then plus 2, increment by 2, then minus 2, and so on. So that's all. This print, it breaks the line. Now again we are initializing this I equals to 1, yes, and here is what we have done there. In previous, while was at the top, whereas in this second structure we have uh, used this while condition at the bottom with this loop keyword. Look here, means condition is tested after the mention that execution, but we will get the same output. So we have two varieties of this tool, the condition at the top and the condition at the bottom. That's all. Okay, but we will get the same output, not the matter where we are going to put the condition. It's very simple. I hope you answer about this one. If you have any query, then you can let me know. Thank you.